हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप सब मज़े में हैं। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल ज्ञान के सागर ऑफिशियल में। तो गाइस, आप सभी जानते हैं कि जेकेएसएसबी फाइनेंस अकाउंट असिस्टेंट की जो एमसीक्यूज़ की सीरीज़ चलाई है, तो आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ। तो टॉपिक गाइस है फिजिकल पॉलिसी। ये इकोनॉमिक्स का टॉपिक है गाइस। तो इसके ऊपर आज की मैं आपको 20 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ। तो उससे पहले मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, जो भी भाई इस चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को पहले यहाँ पे कर दो सब्सक्राइब, साथ में बेल आइकन को प्रेस करने के बाद ऑल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन करना बिल्कुल न भूलना, ताकि जब भी कोई ऐसी वीडियो अपलोड करो तो उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिले। तो गाइस चलो चलते हैं एमसीक्यू। गाइस द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ फिजिकल पॉलिसी? The right answer is part D, revenue policy. Next one is fiscal policy is concerned with. The right answer is part D, public revenue and expenditure. Next one is issue of new currency. Note is a method of. The right answer is part D, effective financing. Next one is fiscal policy in India is formulated by. The right answer is part D, planning commission. Next one is fiscal deficit in the union budget is equal to. The right answer is part A, net increase in internal and external borrowings. Next one is fiscal policy are used in which sector in our country? The right answer is part D, all of the above. Public and private sectors, income and wealth sectors, and then government sectors. The right answer is part D, all of the above. Next one is the policy of the government with regard to its revenue and expenditure is called. The right answer is part C, fiscal policy. Next one is economic survey in India is published by the. The right answer is part C, Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Next one is fiscal policy in India is formulated by. The right answer is part C, Finance Minister. Next one is if grants to state for the creations of capital assets from revenue deficit we arrive at. The right answer is part D, effective revenue deficit. Next one is which of the following is the largest item of expenditure of the Government of India on revenue account? The right answer is part D, interest payments. Next one is which of the following is a capital receipt in government budget? The right answer is part C, borrowing of the government from public. Next one is equality in a country can be best brought through. The right answer is part C, regressive expenditure. Next one is fiscal deficit in the union budget is equal to, the right answer is part A, net increase in internal and external borrowing. Next one is fiscal deficit implies. The right answer is part A, total expenditures, revenue received plus recovery of loans plus receipt from disinvestment. Next one is Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act FRBMA was passed to keep check on. The right answer is part C, both fiscal deficit and revenue deficit. Next one is according to the provision of according to the provisions of the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management FRBM Act 2003 and FRBM Rules 2004, the government is under obligation to present 3 statements before the Parliament along with the annual budget. Which one of the following is not one of them? The right answer is part D, short-term fiscal policy statement. It is the right answer. Next one is which of the following is not a component of revenue receipt of the union government? The right answer is part C, disinvestment receipts. And the last question is every year the economic survey is compiled by. The right answer is part D, Department of Economics Affairs. तो गाइज उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वीडियो पसंद आ गई, तो ऐसी ही वीडियोस पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें और ज़रूर सबके साथ शेयर करें इस वीडियो को। और नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक पे बनाना चाहते हो आप लोग तो मुझे ज़रूर कमेंट करके बताएं।